HTML. It is a short form of hypertext markup language. Hypertext markup language. Now, any HTML, it is a language. It is a language, but it is not a programming language. It is a markup language. Remember this thing. So whenever we write any program in HTML, this is the general structure. HTML contains the tags, different tags, TAGS, tags. Okay, every HTML page starts with less than HTML, greater than means this HTML tag begins, and if you see at the bottom, HTML tag ends. End means backslash and same spelling as that of the original tag. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then every HTML document has two main sections: head section and body section. Head and body. Head will give the information about the page, header information. It may be the title, meta tag, meta keyword, what are the other references you are going to use in this page. So header information will be there in the head tag. You can observe head and end of the head tag. Inside head you can find one tag, title of the web page and end of the title. Fine. So this is the head tag, and second is the body tag. And here inside the body again you can use different tags to present the contents. So how many tags we talk now? How many tags we talk now? Yes. How many tags we talked now? 4, correct? One is HTML, second is head, third is title, and fourth is body. Okay, we will check for what purpose and which is used, and we will check one execution. As I said last time, we are going to use Visual Studio Code. We are going to use a Visual Studio Code. So let type one code in this. Just a minute. Let me arrange it properly so that it will be readable to you all. Sorry. Now let me close all. Okay. Let me introduce you with this Visual Studio Code. Let me create one web technology folder so that we can put all our contents in this. Suppose this is one folder at my D drive, WTL 2021. I am going to create one folder HTML. Visible? All you observe this? I have created on D drive inside WTL 2021 HTML page. HTML folder. Okay? Give me reply.
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
Now what I am going to do, I am going to use this HTML folder as my project folder. So when I will open the Visual Studio Code, I will go to the file, open folder, and then I have to reach to that folder. So that is on D drive, Web Technology 2021 HTML. I will not go inside. I will just click this and select the folder. I hope you all understand this process. Okay. So it is showing one welcome page. Right now I don't want this, so I am closing it. Next, you can observe here, it is a HTML. Are you able to see this HTML?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then you will find, see here 4 buttons. Let's go one by one. This is the button with the plus sign. So it is for creating new file. Okay, this is a folder which is for creating new folder inside this current HTML folder. Third button is for refresh, so that any changes you have done here, that will be reflected. And fourth is collapse folder in Explorer. We will go for this first. I'm going to create a new file. Okay. Suppose this is my first .html. You have to give proper extension. Fine. First .html. When I will put enter, see in the right hand side that file is open. How you can understand? Here the file name comes. Tell me, does this font is readable to you all? This font?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So now I'm going to type my first HTML page. Always HTML is the root tag of your page. Now I'm going to save this file. Only I have written HTML and end of the HTML. Fine. Now how to run this program? Let me clear at the first step itself. See, when you are talking about HTML, obviously, if you open that page, let's see, suppose I will go in this folder in the drive. I will right click and I will say open in browser. So you can observe that page is open here. Is it open here? See, this is the path. Let me maximize this. Have you observed the path in URL?
Yes, sir.
If you want to check what are the contents of this HTML, in this area, this white area, you can right click and check view page source. View page source. I'm clicking on it. Yes. See, now you can observe this was the first window, but this is new window open. Again, name is same, but here now it is a view source file. So here you can see the contents. So these are the 3 lines we typed in the file, correct? HTML and end of HTML.
Yes.
Yes. Why I have shown it
sir.
at the beginning itself. See, whenever any mistake you are not getting the content proper, you should right click. You should right click on the page and check the contents, so that you will get to know that the correct contents are coming or not. Second thing, how I have opened this file? I have opened this file by going to that folder, right click and open with Google Chrome. Then this file is open. Correct? Correct? Give me reply because I am not able to see the full screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But see, actually this is not the proper way to run